Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we're going to understand the concept of building execution environment. So sometimes you'd want to have your own execution environment with your own pre-built or custom installed tools on it rather than what Ansible has to offer. So we head on to Ansible Builder documentation page where we get to see how to install and configure uh, an Ansible execution environment. So when you go to the page, it says that with Ansible Builder, you can configure and build portable, consistent, customized Ansible nodes that are packaged as containers by either Podman or Docker. And as we've already uh, installed Docker and Podman. These containers are known as execution environments. You can use them on AWS, that's Ansible Tower, any Ansible controller, and also as well as Ansible Navigator, which is our focus here. For local playbook development and testing and CI/CD pipelines, we also get there. So this is basically how to go about how to get execution environments, and it has some building blocks. First of all, we will need a building execution file and also need a container and an image too. So we'll look at that. And then some things that you need. But basically, what you are going to need most is the definition file. So the definition file is going to contain these building blocks. And also we can get to add extra files that will install system files and Python dependencies and Ansible collection dependencies. So for example, when we go to execution environments, we get to see it over here. So this is an example of a building definition file, which is going to be used to create the image. And then we also have collection level dependencies. So dependencies that we may want to install, how to define them. So these are dependencies. These are Python dependencies. For example, if you want to install any Python modules or Python packages. We also have system packages that we would want to install, and they have the definition, everything right here. So you can have a look at it. But I have a simple file that we are going to be looking at. So without wasting much time, I will end this video here. And in our next video, we will look at how to build Ansible execution environment. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.